Josh from Shamma Sandals, and today I'm coming to you from Ice Station Shamma out here in Outingdale, California, where it's a balmy 42 degrees. I'm here with Grandpa Mike, who does all of the plugging for Shamma Sandals, and it's actually perfect plugging weather, believe it or not. The colder, the better. Anyways, let's go to Grandpa Mike, and he can talk about that. Mike.
Hi.
So what's why do you like the cold plugging weather?
Well, the nylon doesn't stick as much, and it seems like it melts a little more even. So it just makes for a better plug. Sometimes they're still functional, but not as pretty as like this one.
Is this a pretty one?
This is a pretty one. See, front side and the back side.
Oh wow, that looks really good. So in the summer months, I mean, you've put a lot of effort into making a lot of cooling systems here for this thing.
Yes, I've got two fans underneath.
Sure.
I actually broke something, and I took the fans out.
What'd you break?
I had an inverter for my RV, and I hooked it up wrong.
Oh, okay.
So those are $250 fans.
So you didn't break them on purpose?
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's a bummer. And then you have this little water cooler, huh?
Yes, this is actually off a pesticide sprayer, and it works. I was trying to think of, buying a sprayer, and I thought, hey, I'll try that. And I just fixed this up a little cleaner because I used to have plumber's tape holding it on and screws. So it actually works really well. I'll show you in just a second.
Okay.
As soon as I get this melted enough.
All right, let's watch you do one. Zoom in here.
And with these new plugs I'm making, which are oblong instead of round.
Yeah, I noticed that you've got this. You're not making round plugs. What is this?
Well, these are going to be for the new sandals for the heel straps.
Should you be telling people about that?
No.
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Okay.
Top secret.
Good.
Oh, you didn't get this. I'll spray it again. See how well that's
Look at that. Your sprayer works great, Mike.
I'm pretty proud of it.
It's pretty impressive.
So I bring them over here and cut them, then I have to trim them. Trim the excess. Since this isn't made in China, it's a funky made in America process.
So this is really handmade, huh?
Yes, very much so. And my fingers
Mike,
can prove it.
Your fingers can prove it. Nice.
Yeah.
So since you've got like this plate here, we're watching you do it, and it's oblong, it's not going to go between the toes anymore, right? That's not for the
Not
toe plug.
these particular ones. We're still making the round ones, but these are going to go on the heel strap.
For the ankle slots?
Ankle slots.
Oh,
The
okay.
correct terminology.
So how many of these new style have you made?
Well, I've made 8,000 in 2 months, which about killed me. And Josh wants 4,000 more. And then I'm going to go back to making the easy round ones.
Okay. Cool. Very cool.
But I have...
Where's the 8,000? Can you show us in a second. You finish this one. Let's see you do this one. Then we'll look at that. How do you fix it, Mike?
Well, usually I just leave that one, but I can fix it. I'll
Show us how good you are.
And those little spots, structurally, it's not going to make any difference. But with these little scraps, that's why I have these scraps I save here. I can heat it back up and then do it again. So it's good as new.
Perfect. Awesome, Mike.
Then I spray it off, pull it out.
Yeah, let's watch him do his trimming work here. Cut it on the hot cutter.
Check it out.
It's kind of harder when it cools for a little bit, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to let it stay too long.
All right, well, let's check this out. So here's the proof So
Well,
this is half of what you made so far, right?
right.
This is
4,000.
4,000. Hold one of these up and let's look inside.
Okay. Well, each bag is 500. So
Man, that's a lot of work, Mike.
you're telling me.
Yep. All right, the new plugs. Pretty cool. Thanks for showing us, Mike.
You're welcome.